In today's edition of The Law and You, we're joined by attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath. Great to see you guys.
Great to see you.
We're sitting down today because Harry is quite tall, makes us look short.
Yeah. There were some complaints, I guess.
No complaints.
Now look, Greg looks taller than you. Look at that. That's how it
All right, I'll
works.
bump the chair down. Hold on.
All right, you guys
Harry's
are always
tall.
so helpful to our viewers, so let's get to this question. This one's coming from Michelle. Michelle says, I recently agreed to settle my workers' compensation case with the insurance carrier. The carrier called me and told me the deal was off. I thought once you had an agreement, it was enforceable. What can I do? All right, what advice do you have for Michelle?
Well, the first thing we would ask you, Michelle, is whether or not that agreement was ever placed into writing.
There you go.
If it wasn't, then you're going to be on some tenuous ground right there, because you can have conversations, but until it's memorialized, in most cases, you don't have a formal agreement.
And memorialized in comp with the judge hearing.
Yeah.
So that's the thing with these cases. So like, in a normal, like when we do an auto case, you have a meeting of the minds, then yeah, that case will be settled and you can file the petitions to enforce. But in workers' compensation, we've had it happen a bunch of times where they can actually pull the deal apart and say, oh, well, we don't agree on this now. And even though you've agreed to it, until the comp judge signs off on it, which I think is crazy, they can pull the deal. So like in a straight up auto case like Harry, so if we had a deal in an auto case, you could file those petitions to enforce, and then you take them to court, and the judge would say, hey, you guys have a deal. It's all memorialized in writing. So it's just kind of a unique circumstance, but believe it or not, we have that happen a lot in these comp cases.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, very informative information. If you have a legal problem, give the guys a call or find them out online. And don't forget, results always matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Harry McGrath. You can submit your questions at pahomepage.com or give the hotline a call.